Ningri rangba ka jela, Conrad ke sangma haga singi balang ulo ong ka jingsha ka deiban pau perthailut halor ka jingja ki shikurim na endor ki bawan ka sora hakini ki kindiat singi baladam. Dagba paru ya ka kubor snowlam shiki bahaying jong raja raguvanshi ubaya ka medjong ulalap na karyat ba jelio jong ka weisodong dangshen na kalyang menteri rangba ulo ongru bagi tu ki badan kti hakate ka kam bamman ki deiban ngat beit hakti jong kaan nang tau ongru bakin persanglut kilat kilenti batban pencur syusyu ke jingwad ya ka kurim ka sonam raguvanshi ka badang jar ngai hadu menta menne katkum ke jingong jong u kadang kloi than menta yo u ban ong kumno ban ya chakmat halor kane ka benta henrai ong pat balada long kumno ru ken wat bet hadu bandalap ya ka jinghisha laban kedo hang ni baya ka metjong uraja raguvanshi la lap ha ka arterek mentau banai hadin ka jingwad ka ba klem shong that ha keleng ki jaka jngok kai perthei ki badan ha ka te ka than ka taru ha padeng ulaba ubajur katba ka jingwad ya ka kurim jong upan ka dangyat hadu menta.
Of course, this is a very, very unfortunate incident, and it is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before, this kind of a incident. It was taken all of us by surprise and all of us by shock, in fact. Even the local people are very surprised. The local stakeholders in the tourism sector are very surprised and very concerned. So it's something that we actually never expected. We all know that Meghalaya has always been a tourist-friendly area. We've always ensured the safety of tourists. So in the last many years, lakhs and lakhs of tourists have come. So this is something which is very out of the ordinary for us also. Having said that, we are very, very sad, of course, that this kind of incident has happened. And my deepest condolences and respects for the family members. I know it's a great loss for them. But I want to assure the family members that we are working overtime to make sure that we get to the facts and the depth of really what happened. We're all not very clear as of now what the sequence of events were, what happened, how it happened. We are still looking for the wife also of the individual whose body was found. We are also concerned about many factors that are there. But as I said, it's not just the government and the police. The entire society, the entire community and the entire stakeholders have deeply gotten involved in this because now it is, as I said, it is it's a matter that's of great importance to all of us. And let me assure the family members that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure we find out the details of the facts of what really happened, and also try to work as fast as possible to find the other missing person who still we have not been able to find. It is important to get into the facts of the situation, very important, and the truth must come out. Therefore, whatever steps that are required as per the situation, we will take appropriate decisions then. Right now it's too early to say what's happening and how much we know and how much we don't know, because there's so many missing links and factors even now as we speak. So therefore it is very early time or early to say exactly how to move forward in the entire investigation. But as I said, we will leave no stone unturned, and whatever has to be done to get out the facts and to make sure that the people who are responsible for this should be brought to books, the state government will leave no stone unturned. Again, as I said, I will refrain from going into any conclusion as of now. But I have said in my opening remarks that this is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before. It's not something that is something that happens in Meghalaya. We are all very shocked and surprised with what has happened, and we are very upset and very sad about it. But I don't want to jump into any conclusions as to what could have happened. Let the investigation continue. Let the facts come out. Let the details come out, and then we will see how to move forward. It never happened. It's a very sad and a very unfortunate incident that has happened. So therefore, there is no doubt that this is something that we are all very concerned about and very upset about. But as I said, it's not something that is, that has been happening in Meghalaya. It's something that has been suddenly hit us. In fact, we also were very surprised by it. But as I said, let me assure the family members that we will do everything we are already doing, and we will continue to do everything in our capacity to find out the truth and make sure that justice is done. You see, it's an unfortunate incident, and obviously some people may try to bring that into the factor. But we all know that Sora and the entire state of Meghalaya has always been known for pro tourism activities. Yes, there are incidents once in a while that does happen, but at large, overall, we have seen that Meghalaya and its people are very, very receptive to tourists. Again, I'm saying it with a caveat that yes, there could be one or two incidents in the past also. Nothing major the way it has happened. There could have been past incidents, but majority of the cases, this small incidents earlier, I'm not talking about this is a very big incident, but I'm talking about other old smaller incidents that happened. A lot of things happen in many states, in many countries around the world. In fact, it's not just Meghalaya has faced challenges, and comparatively we have faced less challenges, I should say, and we have been doing far better when it comes to tourism. And that's why a large number of tourists even to today are coming to Meghalaya. So there are challenges, but I'm sure that we will overcome these challenges. Regarding this incident, as I said, yes, it has been a huge, unfortunate incident for us. But as I said, we will move forward, and we will ensure that number one, justice is done, and we will also ensure that number two, that more measures are taken in the future, so that more and more of our community people and systems are enhanced in the future, so that no such incidents should ever happen in Meghalaya.